What's going on, everybody? Sonar here, and I just got done fishing my first year on the FLW tour. Finished up with the FLW Cup at Lake Hamilton in Arkansas. What a great year, but now I'm getting ready for next year, and the first thing I got to do is outfit my new truck camper. It's a game changer. All right, so let me, I've already got a bunch of people asking about this truck camper, so I wanted to give you a walkthrough of everything. First off, let's start with the camper itself. It's the Lance 975. I bought it used. It's a 2017. It's in really good condition, and it's just an unbelievable self-contained system. But let's kind of talk about the truck. Obviously you have to buy a truck that can handle such a heavy rig like this, and truck campers just are known to be very heavy, and you have to have a suitable payload capacity. So I after talking to some buddies that run these things, it was apparent to me that I needed to go big or go home. And so I got a Ram 3500 dually, and I got the turbo diesel, and I got the turbo diesel, so it's got plenty of power. So we've got the payload capacity, and we got the power, and so that's the first thing. If you guys are thinking about getting a truck camper, I urge you to get a dually. Go oversized. Go, even if you got a lighter camper, go big. You don't have to get a dually if you get like a pop-up or something like that, but really consider it as a big option, and a necessity for a big hard-sided one, okay? Because I really do think that it makes a huge difference. But anyways, let's start out with the outside here. First thing you notice, the 975 has got a pop out, which is awesome. It's makes it a lot bigger inside, and that's a powered automatic pop out. And then we've also got the jacks here, power jacks. It's got a remote, so I can put them all down at the same time or one at a time, whatever I need to do. I got that right here. Got all the proper equipment, all the tie downs, the torque lift stuff. I've even got an extension, a hitch extension laying over there that allows me to extend my hitch so I can tow my boat behind it. Obviously, that's a big key to this. The outside, it's got some storage containers. This is where the batteries are going to be. This camper, of course, is completely self-contained, and the two batteries that I have in here that are linked together are a big part of that entire system. One thing that I'm going to be doing is doing a little bit of research. I work with Battleborn batteries. I'm going to be doing some lithiums in here. As long as all the components of the charging system work out for lithiums, I'm going to be hooking this up with the lithiums, reducing the weight, and just having more reliable power in there. But you've got everything you need in here for dumping all the tanks, gray water, black water, as well as an external shower in there. Of course, you got the electrical hookup. So the back here is really cool. This is one thing I was really excited about with this particular model. First thing I want to show you, because I'm a bass fishing tackle fool, is this right here. I get pegboard in a truck camper. That is awesome. Check that out. So I'm going to be putting a lot of Z-Man baits in there, and just pegboarding it up, getting organized. And then back here, I'm just a sucker for storage, and this right here extends out. This is some storage in here, storage right here, just keeping stuff that I need for the road, all the hookups. I'm going to put my 30 amp cord in there. And of course, we got more stuff on this side, including the hot water heater compartment where I keep the 2 propane tanks in here, more storage, just all kinds of stuff on the outside, very easy to access. And then right here, this is something that I was really excited about with this deal, because I may not be using it a ton, but it is something that is really cool to have if you need it. And that is a generator. It's a propane generator. It's a Cummins Onan a 2500 watt propane generator. Runs everything in the lance. And so it's, you know, turn it on in there. It's fully self-contained. It's got the propane tanks that it runs off of. It's good to go. Let's go ahead and go inside. And one of the cool things is this is a keypad, so I don't have to worry about locking myself out. Of course, keep an extra key outside in case, you know, the battery does get drained for some reason and you don't have power to this keypad. But other than that, I don't have to worry about them keys. All right, walking inside here, you can see got plenty of room. Look at this. Got the dinette right here. So the pop out has the dinette area as well as the full-sized refrigerator and freezer. So that is really cool. Got, you know, lights pretty much everywhere. This is on a dimming switch, which is really awesome. Set the mood in here. And of course the kitchen, we got a propane range, an oven, we've got a sink. I'm gonna have, you know, my coffee. And okay, of course we've got the microwave, my favorite cooking equipment. And then we've got, this is right here is kind of the operation center. Of course, we got the gen set for the generator. We've got all the controls for the water pump, water heaters, things like that. We've got 2 awnings on the outside, which is awesome, as well as some speakers, and you can control everything from in here. So put the awnings out. They've also got some lights, but this right here is really cool. This is the entertainment system. It's all linked together, so we've got speakers above the dinette. We've got them even more inside, and then some outside as well, and you can control which ones are playing. It's got Bluetooth. This is also what plays DVDs and CDs. So if you play a DVD on the TV, which is right here, and that comes out and extends so you can actually see it while you're laying in bed. It goes all over the place. So the DVD player is in that unit right there. You can see all kinds of little storage things. There's really cool storage underneath the dinette here. Really important for all that tackle I'm going to be using on the road. So a little note on the refrigerator, it can be powered many different ways. It's got automatic features, so whatever it needs to pull off of to keep it running, it will, but it runs off of propane, runs off of the battery power, and also shore power. So when you hook it up to, you know, a 30 amp or even just an extension cord to your a regular plug at your house, you can run it off of that too. So whatever is strongest is what it's going to run off of, which is really awesome because you don't want things going bad on that. The bathroom in this model was really cool. I really like this model in particular. Got plenty of space. Okay, lots of countertop space, but it's got a dry bath. So it's got the dry shower, so it's got its own little shower, and it's sectioned off from the toilet right there. So just a lot of room in here. Other models had kind of the wet bath, which means that the bath and the shower were in the same location, so you'd just be essentially stepping around the toilet the whole time. But that is a pretty well laid out bathroom. And then finally, we've got the bedroom here. Haven't got it all set up, but lots of storage. Lots of places for all the clothing and everything that I need to bring. It's got a nice skylight. That's pretty awesome. That opens up. And then, of course, you know, AC is huge for me down here in the south. And so it's got the air conditioner on top, powered by this thermostat right here. This also powers the heat as well. So I mean, pretty much everything in here is just gonna be super comfortable, perfect temperature at all times, and yeah, it's just overall is just going to be a huge game changer for me. It's just going to be really big to be able to carry all of my stuff on the road, have a consistent home base, even while traveling on the road, so I don't have to move in and out of places constantly. So to me, this has been the biggest improvement in my lifestyle that I could have made this year. So, all right, so if you have a question, drop a comment down in the comment section. Of course, like this video if you do like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you out on the road and out on the water.